Believe it or not, it's time to winterize your vehicle.
Staunton Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram has a quick and easy vehicle oil change and service inspection that will help you keep your vehicle on the road all season long. Hi, I'm Vic Jensen, Service Manager at Staunton Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram.
And I'm Floyd Wentler, Service Advisor at Staunton Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram.
Colder temps decrease battery power. With all the electrical components and multiple computers in today's vehicles, your battery is extremely important. We will perform a battery load test to ensure your battery is performing at significant cold cranking amps so that you are not stranded on the cold days ahead.
The battery load test is part of the Staunton Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram 6-point weatherization inspection and is included with your next oil change, which includes semi-synthetic oil, new oil filter, and tire rotation for only $74.95.
Keeping you safe is our top priority this winter season.
Get started today. Call us to set an appointment and enjoy our new no-charge pickup and delivery service.
Thanks for considering the new oil change and winterization special from Staunton Chrysler. I'm Vic Jensen.
And I'm Floyd Wentler. See you soon at Staunton Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram, West Frontage Road, I-55 and exit 41, Staunton.